and welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan. If you don't know me, I do shopping hauls, challenges and beauty videos. Today I've decided to film on my phone, and I know that seems like a step backwards, but I was just testing it before. I was taking some pictures and taking a few test shots, and the quality looks so much better and you can actually see my tan which is like the major goal, because I want you to actually see my makeup. And yeah, I look like white in my actual camera, so I feel like I need to sell that and invest in a better one. So today what I thought I would do is show you how I curl my hair with straighteners. Like I've mentioned before, it's super easy. It's so much quicker than using curlers, and if you use curlers, obviously that's fine, but this is just the way I do it, so I'm going to show you how I do it, and yeah, let's get into it. So first I would just brush out my hair. I know I've got naturally curly hair, so it does go very frizzy when I brush it, but that's all going to change when I curl it with the straighteners. So I'm just going to brush through my hair. I'm just using my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection, so I'm just going to spray that on. I'm also going to run a little bit of coconut oil through my hair. I always do this because I have naturally dry hair. If you don't, that's fine, you don't have to use it, but I do, it just helps. So my straighteners are all heated up, and like I said, because I have naturally curly frizzy hair, I need to straighten the top of my hair down to about halfway down before I can then curl it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I haven't sectioned it or anything while I straighten it, just because I know I'm going to be curling it anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. All I'm aiming for is my roots to be relatively straight, which this side definitely isn't. But I'll also perfect each strand as I curl it, just to get the roots straight. And obviously I don't straighten the ends because I don't want any unnecessary heat on it, because I'm going to be curling it anyway. So I'm just going to show you slowly how I do a strand, a single strand, how I would curl it. So on my left side I would be curling outwards, on my right side I would be also curling outwards that way. So I'm going to start with the left. I always seem to start with the left for some reason. Take a small section, and because this is only the front of my hair, it's like my fringe, I don't curl it from too far up, because I don't want it curly from up here. I want it sort of just starting about at my chin. So what I would do is I would run the straighteners over one last time over the very top of my strand, and then starting where you'd want it to be. So I want it to start about here. I'd grip it, curl it outwards and wrap it backwards. Yeah, once I've done that, twist it one more time and pull. Got that? This bit's got a little bit dodgy. It's it looks tricky at first, but once you understand how to do it, you can do it so quickly. So I'm just going to do a few more strands quite slowly for you, so you can see how I do them and try and get to grips with what you're doing. So I've just got another strand right here. I'm going to do the same. Make sure I'm straightening the roots. And then starting from about, because this strand's longer, so starting from, I would say, about here, would put it backwards, twist it and pull. Now sometimes the curls do go quite tight, so what I would do is I would just, while it's still warm, just give it a little bit of a pull. So I'm going to show you on the other side. It's the same principle. You want it to be curling outwards that way. So when you're on this side, you want your hair to be wrapping this side of your strand, and on this side you want your hair to be wrapping that side of the strand. So I'm gonna try and show you best I can how I would do the right hand side. So a lot of people, when I've seen them do this, they would turn the straighteners the opposite way, so they would have the straighteners this way for the left and this way for the right. I don't do that. I couldn't work out how to do it, so I'd keep my straighteners the same way, hold it in my right hand and, you know, hold them like that. And I do the same with that side. The only difference is when I'm wrapping my hair around, it's going to be going this side instead of this side. So I'm just going to show you. So I'll do the same, straighten. Want it to be about even with the other side, so about here. Grip it, put it behind on the right side, turn it and turn it all the way around and pull. I'll just do one more for you. Straighten, about here, pull it behind and pull. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl the rest, and then I'm going to come back to you when I'm finished. So once I've curled it all, what I do is I go back in to the top layer, I grab a few little strands and then I tend to give them just like a little curl just to smoothly blend it all in together. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So say like here where I've got like a little bit of a kink, I would grab a small piece of hair on top, just a really small piece, and I would curl it a lot higher up than the rest of my hair. And I'll do that throughout just to help give it like a little bit more of a blended feel. And that is it. So that's the final look. I really love how my hair turns out when I do it this way. It's just so quick, so simple, and I just think I suit having like the volume in my hair a little bit more than my natural curls. I like to have big bouncy curls. So I hope you have enjoyed. If you want to see more hair tutorials from me, let me know down below if you have enjoyed it, because I would love to do some more. I have actually enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload, because I am posting every single day in July. So I hope you come back, and thanks for watching.